how to log in HBO Max. So if you want to log in to HBO Max, then first of all open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Now you can go for HBO login, and here you will have this HBO Max login, right? So you can simply click on that first search, and it will take you to the website of HBO Max. So here you will have the sign in option, or you can also have a sign in option right here on the upper right side. If HBO Max is available in your region, then you will have that option. So you can simply click on sign in, and here if you want to sign into your account, then you can also sign in with going on this option, or you can sign in from here. So first, here on the first blank, you have to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you will have forgotten password or forgot password option. You can simply click on that forgot password, and then here you have to enter your email address which you have used to create your HBO Max account, and they will send a link or they will send a code to your email address which you have entered just here. And after clicking on that link, you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and then you can simply click on sign in, and you will be signed into your HBO Max account. But if you got your HBO Max through another company such as TV, mobile, or internet provider, then you can sign in with a provider. And after entering your email address and then your password, you will be signed in. So that's it. That's how you sign in. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.